Y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I'm doing a full wash day with TGIN Miracle Repair X. I won this whole collection in a giveaway on Instagram. If you don't follow me, follow me. So I just wanted to show you guys how it works with my hair and my ending style. I hope you guys like it. So obviously you see I already got to it, so let's just watch. I just want you guys to know that this CPR treatment is the bomb. It smells so good, and honestly you feel the effects right away, and the fact that you only have to leave it in for 3 minutes is the whole reason why I love it. I could literally put it in my hair, chill in my shower for a little bit, rinse it out, and I get so much moisture. I receive all the benefits within 3 minutes of me and my shower routine. So as you see, I do have my hair sectioned in 4s, but within those 4s, I also section it just to make sure the product gets throughout my whole hair. My hair is very thick, so I need to make sure it hits every point. As you can see, I'm trying to make sure that it's within all my strands. So I think I have 4 sections, but within those 4 sections, I create like 6 sections just to make sure it hits every part of my hair. So this oil has the perfect consistency. Like, it's not too thick, but it's definitely not light. I did go ahead and put the oil on before I put the cream on. I'm more of an LOC method type of girl instead of an LCO method type of girl. Now I know all my 4C hair girls love thick creams, okay? This cream is thick and it smells so good. I don't know how to describe it though. Like, it's kind of like mid-frozen yogurt type, you know, like type of stuff. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I love thick creams, and this moisture literally, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know this moisture literally lasted in my hair for more than a week. I absolutely loved it, okay? y'all probably reached this part of the video thinking, what in the world is this girl about to do with her hair? And you guys will see, it was honestly inspired by an Instagram follower that I have. I have to look for her name, but she definitely inspired me to do this style, and you guys just need to keep watching and check it out. It's a mohawk, you guys. Yes, I decided to switch it up because your girl always doing twist styles and flat twists, and I was like, yo, my followers need to see something a little bit different, see what I got in my little box. So I wanted to do a different type of mohawk. This mohawk, it has the bantu knots on the side, but then a twist out in the middle. As you can see, I didn't really like how they were small on the side, so I gathered them together and made two big ones. But yes, I wanted to rock a mohawk and I absolutely loved it, and I hope you guys love it too. If you guys try it on Instagram, please tag me. I want to see all types of different types of mohawks, okay? Especially my 4C hair ladies. Like, let me see those mohawks. Let me see if you tried it. I hope you guys love this video so much. I definitely will be bringing different styles to my platform. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until my next video, y'all, peace.